What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. On today's video, I'm going to show you, or just take you through my flight to the TORO company. Yep, this is where TORO is going to be doing all their new innovations for the year. It is new stuff for you guys, and yeah, we're gonna meet a whole bunch of content creators out here and see what they have to provide us this year. So enjoy. Before we begin this video, I would like to thank 𝗤𝘂𝑎𝑐𝑒 for sponsoring this video. And guess what? 𝗤𝘂𝑎𝑐𝑒 is giving away a Ford F-150 work truck to a premium and platinum or enterprise subscriber. So if you need help keeping up with customers, sending estimate, invoices, or collecting payment, give 𝗤𝘂𝑎𝑐𝑒 a try for free. Just click on the link in the comment section and the description of this video. 𝗤𝘂𝑎𝑐𝑒 is the fastest way to send estimates, invoices, and get paid. The dashboard gives you real-time business analysis like your close ratio, sales, and expenses tracking so that you can stay organized and profitable. So check out 𝗤𝘂𝑎𝑐𝑒 with the link below. We gotta go through the security check, and then you squiggle all over the place. This is fun. Okay, so we are through the security check, and now I am leaving at gate number 11 to Atlanta. So hopefully it's a nice, not bumpy trip like we usually have. You know, I'm a little bit spoiled. I try to get me a first class seat, but they were already taken. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. Maybe I shouldn't put this in a vlog, right? Because some of you guys are gonna be like, yo, this guy. Hey, but listen, if you work hard, you might as well get what? Play hard, right? Why not? All right, so I am super early because I have a lot of stuff to do. So this is where we're at. Let's go flying. And I have about an hour layover, so hopefully I'll see one of the other creators at the gate, and then we'll be leaving to go to St. Paul. All right, enjoy. Try to make it the best. So this vlog is going to be a little bit all over the place. So I'm here at the airport. I'm at the gate. So we're about stored on the last leg. And this is it. We'll be there in about 2 hours. Just like me making this video. I've made it, and guess who I have with me? The lawn care rookie. Yeah. And this is a big coincidence. We were seated right beside each other.
Yeah.
This is crazy. But hey, the 3 days is about to begin, and it's starting on a good note. All right, let's continue on. So I finally made it, and I'm in my room. Let me show you my room. This is the entrance, and go straight into the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and the commode, and the shower. And then I have a fridge, a closet, little hot plate. Looks like a dishwasher, utensils, microwave, and look at this. It's pretty cute. And my bed, pretty nice, right? And this is my view. Big old parking lot. All right, guys, just wanted to show you guys come with me on my trip. Let me get into the sun. There you go. Be with me on my trip. So we'll see if we make another vlog. But other than that, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a great one. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And see you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.